Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter statistics. Lessons we're going to cover are changes in mean, median, mode and range, calculate mean absolute deviation, and identify representative, random, and biased samples. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 7 math. The chapter we're working on is statistics. The lesson is changes in mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson. First question. Look at the set of 7 numbers. How would the mode change if the number 30 replaced one of 16s in the set? Okay, just look at the given data set. The data set is this 116, 30, 71, 85, 59, 16, and 98. You have to replace. How would the mod change if the number 30 replaced one of 16s in the set? You have to replace 30 with 16. Let's suppose you replace like this. Got it? So mod is the number that appears most often in the data. So which is the mod value now? The mod value is now 16. Got it? You can see here. Oh, you need to replace 16 by 30. Got it? Here is the data 16. You replace this 16 by 30. Now the mod value is, for this data, the mod value is 16. 16 appears 2 times in the data. And now for this data, the mod value is 30. So if you replace the value 16 by 30, the mod changes. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Look at the set of 8 numbers. How would the mean change if the number 50 were added to the set? Okay, you are given the 8. You have to see how mean changes. Let's just calculate the mean for the given data. Got it? How do you calculate mean? For the mean, you have to add them all. You have to add and divide by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just add them. It would be 20 plus 57 plus 50 plus 51 plus 18 plus 18 plus 94 plus 20. So sum of all number is 328 and divided by the 8, 328 divided by 8, it would be 41. Now you are going to add one more number, that would be 50. So you have to divide now by 9. Got it? Let's just add all the numbers, and also you have to add 50. 328 plus 50 is 378. So 378 divided by 9 is 42. See, originally the mean value is 41. Now it would be increased to 42. That means by adding another number in the given data, the mean value is increased. Got it? So it would be increased. Okay, look at this set of 9 numbers. How would the mod change if the number 96 replaced one of 28s in the set? Okay, just see. For this data, the given data, mod is 28. Got it? Here you have mod. 28 for this set data set. Got it? Okay, now you're going to replace one of the 28 by 96. What is the mod value now? Mod value is the number that appears most often in the data. Now the mod changes to 96. See, 96 appears two times in the data now. That means if you replace the 28 by 96, the mod value would be increased. Got it? So the correct option is increased. Okay, look at the set of 9 numbers. How would the median change if the number 99 replaced the number 24 in the set? Okay, let's just calculate the median of the data. Whenever we have to calculate the median, we have to arrange the number from least to greatest. Let's just arrange them from least to greatest. 19, 22, 24, 25, 35, 44, 68, 70, and 97. Okay, you have to calculate the median. Median is the number that divides the data into two equal parts. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 you replace 35 by. So that means 35 is the median of the given data. Got it? Okay, now you have to replace 24 by 99. This one is now 99. Let's just arrange them and see. They are now 19, 22. You don't have 24 now. 25, 35, 44, 68, 70, 97, and 99. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the median is 44. See, that means the median of the data is increased. Got it? Correct option is increased. It would be increased from 35 to 44. So the correct option is increase. Okay, look at this data set of 8 numbers. How would the range change if the number 32 replaced the number 61 in the set? Okay, so for this number, what is range? Range is the difference of greatest and the smallest number. The greatest number in the data is 61 and the smallest number would be 14. So the range of the given data set is 47. Got it? Now you are going to replace 61 by 32. You have to replace this one by. Okay, now you have to calculate the range. The greatest number in the given data set is now 49 and the smallest number is 14. So it would be 49 minus 14. That means the range is now 35. So see, it would be now decreased. Got it? So before it is 47, now it is 35. So it would be then decreased. Okay, look at the set of 10 numbers. How would the mean change if the number replaced 60 replaced by the 50 in the set? You have to calculate the mean of the data. So for the mean, you have to add up all the numbers and divide by the 10. Let me just calculate the mean of the data. Let me just add them. 38 plus 52 plus 39 plus 37 plus 37 plus 38 plus 61 plus 42 plus 50 plus 66. That would be 460. And 460 divided by 10 is 46. The mean of the given data is 46. Now you're going to replace one of the 50 by 60. So it would be now it mean is 47 because you replace 50 by 60. 60 is the greater number. Got it? That means it would be increased. So the correct option is increased. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next number is calculate mean absolute deviation. Let's just start with the next lesson. So how do you calculate the mean absolute deviation? In the given data set below, what is the mean absolute deviation? First of all, you have to calculate the mean like we are doing earlier. Just add up all the numbers, divide by the you have 7 numbers, just add them and divide by 7. The mean value would be 7. Got it? 49 over 7, that would be 7. Now you have to calculate the mean absolute deviation. How do you calculate? So you have to subtract the mean value from each number in the data set. Got it? Like the mean value is 7. You have to do 9 minus 7, 8 minus 7. You have to subtract 7 from every number in the given data set. Got it? And then you have to calculate the mod of these value and you have to add their sum would be 14. So 14 minus divided by 7 would be 2. So basically, first of all, you have to calculate the mean. Then each you have to subtract the mean from each number in the data set. Take the sum of absolute values and divide it by the 7. That would equals to. Let's just do the examples, then that would be more clear. Let's just start with the first example. Okay, the data set is 71347. Okay, the values are 71347. Let's just calculate mean. 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That would be 22 over 5. Got it? 22 over 5 is 4.4. So the mean of the data is 4.4. That would be step 1. For the step 2, you have to subtract 4 by 4 from all the numbers and you have to calculate their absolute values. Absolute value means all of the values would be positive, no negative numbers allowed here. Let me explain. It would be 4 minus 4.4, 7 minus 4.4. Okay, 7 minus 4.4 is 2.6. Okay, 1 minus 4.4 is, that would be a negative 3.4 value. It would like this. Whenever you have the absolute value sign, that means all the values must stay positive. So it would be like 3.4. Got it? Basically, that is the concept of the absolute value. Absolute value means just positive values. So 3 minus 4.4 is again negative value. But because of the absolute sign, it would be positive. Got it? Just subtract all the values. That would be 2.6. Now again just add them all and divide by the 7. Got it? It would be 2.6 plus 3.4 plus 1.4 plus 0.4 plus 2.6. It would be 10.4, and 10.4 divided by 7 is 1.4. Now that means the mean absolute deviation is 1.4. Got it? So the correct option is 1.4. Hmm. Hold on. Let me just check. Okay, 7 minus 4.4. 1 minus 4.4. 3 minus 4.4. That would be 1.4. 4 minus 4.4. And 7 minus. Oh, you have to divide by 5, not by 7. They are 5 in numbers. Got it? So it would be 10.4 divided by 5. That would be 2.08. So the correct option is 2.08, not 1.4. Got it? The mean absolute value of the data is 2.08. Got it? You can round it off to 2.1. Got it? Let's just do another example. 331659. Okay, let's just calculate mean. 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6. 5 plus 9 divided by 6. Let me just add them. 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9. That would be 27. And 27 divided by 6 is 4.5. Got it? Now you have the mean value, that is 4.5. You're going to subtract each number in the given data from 4.5 and calculate their mean values, absolute values. 4 minus 3.5 plus 3 minus 4.5 plus 1 minus 4.5 plus 6 minus 4.5 plus 5 minus 4.5 plus 9 minus 4.5. Let's just calculate all the values. Got it? 3 minus 4.5, it is 1.5. Basically that is negative value, but because of the absolute you have to just add the positive values. Got it? 3 minus 4.5 is 1.5. 1 minus 4.5 is 3.5. 6 minus 3.5 is 2.5. 5 minus 4.5 is 0.5. 9 minus 4.5 is 4.5. Just add all the values and divide by the 6. Got it? 4.5 plus 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. So sum of all values is 14, and 14 divided by 6 is 2.3. That means the mod value is, the mean absolute deviation of the given data set is 2.33. Got it? It would be 2.4. You can round them off to 2.4. Got it? 2.2. How? 13. Okay, it would be 2.2. Let's just do another example. Okay, the next one is 2867122. Okay, 2867122. Let's just calculate the mean value. 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7, 1 plus 2 plus 2. Divide by 7. So it would be, let me just add them. 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. It would be 28 over 7. That would be 4. Okay, let's just calculate. Okay, 2 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 4, 2. Okay, I've subtracted and calculated their absolute values. Now I'm just going to add them. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. It would be 18 over 7, and that equals 2.57, or either you can round off it to 2.6. So the correct option is 2.6. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And that would be identify representative random and biased samples. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Brooke randomly called 100 phone numbers in her town in order to survey them about their shopping habits. 25 people decided to participate in the survey. Is the sample of the people who live in Brooke's town likely to be representative? So you have to see if the given data is representative. No, this is not the representative. Why? Because in a representative data, the people or item chose accurately reflect the group as a whole. Like you have to choose the people, you have to choose the group of the peoples who already participate. Since the people who decide to participate might not be the similar to the people who didn't, it's a biased sample. It is not likely to be a representative sample. Got it? You can see out of the 125 just decided to participate. So the 25 you selected are not exactly the same like the one who didn't decided. So that would be the biased sample, not the representative. Got it? Just look at the other example. While designing a new dessert menu, the manager of a restaurant offered customers a coupon in exchange for completing a brief survey about their favorite dessert. 13 of the customers accepted the offer. Is the sample biased? So, in a biased sample, some people or items are more likely to be chosen than others. Since the customers who decided to participate might not be the similar to the participant who didn't, so it is likely to be a biased data. So biased data is the one in which you select a group of the data that are not similar to the people who didn't select it. Got it? So it would be the biased data. The correct option is yes. Okay, the next example is, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, Susan put some business cards into basket. Then she drew 7 business cards out of the basket. Is this a random sample of business card in the basket? So which is the correct option? Yes or no? Yes, that would be random because she drew seven cards out of the basket. So that would be a random selection. The correct option is yes. Okay, Jessica put a blindfold and picked 97 jelly beans from a jar. Is this sample of jelly beans are in the jar likely to be biased? So which is the correct option? Yes or no? So yes, that would be the biased sample. She selected any of the 97 jellies. Got it? So the 97 jellies she selected is not the same the one she didn't select it. So that would be the biased data. Yes, the correct option is yes. Hmm. No. Why? In the biased sample, some people or items are most likely to be chosen than others. Since every jelly bean has an equal chance, okay, of being chosen, it is a random sample. It is not likely to be a biased sample. Okay, she selected 97 jelly beans from a jar. That would be a random selection. Sorry. Correct option is yes. No, that would be a random selection. Okay, the next one is Christina pulled 547 drivers late on a Friday night. Is this a random sample of drivers in the city? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be a random selection. She selected 542 drivers. That would be a random selection. So, the correct option is yes. Oh, I know. That would be the biased one, I think. Yes. Because the persons she selected are everyone has an equal chance to be selected. Got it? So that means the drivers she selected might not be the similar to the drivers she didn't selected. Got it? So that would be a biased data. The correct option is biased one. Okay, Brooke randomly called 100 phone numbers in her town in order to survey them about their shopping habits. 25 people decided to participate in the survey. Is the sample of the people who live in the Brooks town likely to be representative? So, which is the correct option? No, this isn't a representative data. That would be the biased data. Got it? Because out of the 100, just 25 people decided to participate in the survey. You don't know about the 75 peoples. Maybe they are not the same to the one who didn't select it. So the correct option is no. This is the biased data. Mrs. Gupta, the principal of Westminster Middle School, asked her teacher to participate in a study on teaching methods. The seven teachers who volunteered took part in a day long study. Is the given data a sample of the teachers in the school likely to be biased? So, which is the correct option? So the 7 teachers who volunteered took part. The given data is biased. Yes, that would be biased. The correct option is yes. Because the people you selected is not the same with the ones you didn't select it, so it would be biased. Okay, Perry pooled the last 97 athletes to finish a bike race. Is this sample of the athletes in the bike race likely to be biased? So, which is the correct option? No. Is the data biased? Yes, it would be biased because the persons she selected is not the same with the ones she didn't select it. So, yes, that would be the biased data. Got it? Jeff questioned two violinists in the nation orchestra. Is this sample of violinists in generally likely to be representative? So, which is the correct option? So, yes, the data would be mm, Jeff questioned two violinists in the okay, no, that would be representative. So, that would be biased data. That means the correct option is no. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 7 maths. The chapter we were working on is statistics. And the lessons we have covered today are changes in mean, median, mode, and range. Then calculate mean, absolute deviation, and identify representative, random, and biased samples. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So if you have any question, please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone. Yes, you have classes in summer also. In summer, I'm going to cover the book, all the chapters from the book. Okay, bye.